welcome to Animal Talk, where we will be talking
About animals.
about animals and more.
Yes.
So,
Okay, our first guest is
Sarah.
Sarah the dog. Oh, I'm Paris Pig, and
I'm Kayla Monkey.
yep.
So,
This is Sarah the dog.
hi guys! It's so nice to be on this show today. I'm so happy that I'm on the show. So I guess I'll see y'all later on the back of the set. Bye!
That was our friend
Oh
Sarah.
my gosh, she's so cute, right?
Okay, here is me. I'm just gonna show you a picture. That's me. And here is Michaela Monkey.
Hi guys!
Here's our friend Rebecca Lion.
Here's our friend Rebecca. Hi guys!
Hi guys. It's so nice to be on the show. Well, I gotta go. Bye.
Ooh, she's so cute.
She's very nice. Everybody's
Yes,
nice.
If you meet her,
She's gonna be like, oh my gosh, so nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's talk to Mitt Romney.
no, we're just kidding.
We're joking. It's really Mitt Romney, the teddy bear. Hi guys, it's me.
Oh.
Hi guys. It's not Romney. So how are you doing today? I'll see you later. Bye. Isn't he so cute? Okay, so let's talk to another animal. Let's think.
Ella dog.
The dog.
Hi, my name is Ella.
So
So,
yeah.
I'm so cute because I'm so happy. Well,
I'll see you later. Bye.
Thank you for letting me be on the show. Bye.
Animal
So
Talk.
that is the end of our
show for today.
Bye.
See you on the next episode.
Subscribe and like.